The characters which we see in Vodafone advertisements are called Zuzus, and they are not animated, those are people. A mushroom from Africa called the lady in the wheel grows faster than any other organism in the world. It grows up to 20 centimeters in only 20 minutes and can be heard cracking as it grows. A 392-year-old Greenland shark is the longest lived vertebrate on Earth. It was lived in the ocean since 1627. Blue whales are the largest sea animal ever known. Their tongue can weigh as much as an elephant. When you look up at the sky and see white dots flying around you, then you are actually seeing your own white blood cells. The earthy smell produced when rain hits the ground is called petrichor. World's fastest camera shoots 10 trillion frames per second, and we can see light moving in slow motion. Graphite aerogel, the world's lightest material, is 7 times lighter than air. When offered a new pen, most of the people write their name first. It costs over $42 trillion to create oxygen for 6 months for all the human beings on Earth. Trees do it for free. Light from center of the Milky Way takes 25,000 years to reach us on Earth. An area of tropical forests as large as 50 football fields is destroyed every minute. Over the course of its life, an average tree can absorb a ton of carbon dioxide. About 15 million thunderstorms and 1.2 billion lightning strikes occur annually across the planet. The height of the Eiffel Tower increases 15 centimeters in summer due to heat expansion. Shakespeare invented 1700 new words that are in the common use today. In the past, there are 10 days in a week in the new revolutionary French calendar. In the period of 1800s, the average age at which children were sent to work was 7. Scientists can still pick up the microwaves left over from Big Bang and the birth of the universe. In Colorado, there is still an active volcano. It last erupted about the same time as the pyramids were being built in Egypt. Ethiopia's Danakil Depression is home to one of the most bizarre looking landscapes on Earth. Located in the Upper Triangle, this surreal spot is dotted with crackling lava pools, neon-colored hot springs and sparkling salt flats. Poisonous gases swirl around hydrothermal fields, and many of the area's pools are filled with acid. Indonesia's Kawah Ijen volcano is remarkable for its tendency to emit oozing waves of what appears to be blue and purple lava. Technically, the lava itself isn't blue. According to Smithsonian Magazine, the fascinating coloration comes from high quantities of sulfuric gas that emerges along with the lava. When the gas catches fire, it burns with a bright hue that makes the lava appear to be electric blue. Tardigrades, also called water bears or moss piglets, are fascinating microorganisms that can survive just about anywhere. They prefer to hang out in moist places like mud or moss, but according to Smithsonian Magazine, the creatures can survive in environments at least as cold as minus 328 degrees Fahrenheit or as hot as 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Scientists have also found that water bears can survive radiation, boiling liquids, pressures more than 6 times that of deepest part of ocean, and even the vacuum of space. The most dangerous bird in the world is cassowary. With one kick, it can kill its enemy. Cassowaries are very afraid of humans, but if they are disturbed, they are capable of inflicting serious injuries. There is a coincidence happened in cricket in the year 1999. Sachin had completed 1000 runs against Australia in 19th over in the 5th test match in Melbourne. 15 years later, Virat Kohli too completed 1000 runs against Australia in Melbourne in the 5th Test match, and that too in the 19th over. They both were 26-year-old when they achieved this feat, and they both were playing with an MRF bat. During the World War, there was a British Army major named Summerford. During a battle, lightning struck him and his legs got paralyzed. Then he moved to Canada, where while fishing he was again struck by lightning, which made the right part of his body useless. It took him 2 years to recover. In summer, he was walking in the park when lightning fell on him again. This time he was completely paralyzed. Major Summerford died 2 years later, but he couldn't escape lightning. 4 years after his death, his grave was again struck by lightning and it was damaged. Information in your brain travels at different speeds. The neurons in your brain are built differently, and information travels along them at different speeds. This is why sometimes you can recall information instantly, and sometimes it takes a little longer. About 90% of the world's fresh water is locked in the thick ice cap that covers Antarctica. When Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone back in 1876, only 6 phones were sold in the first month. India has the largest postal network in the world with over 1,55,015 post offices. A single post office on average serves a population of 7,175 people. The floating post office in Dal Lake, Srinagar was inaugurated in August 2011. You get a new stomach lining every 3 to 4 days. The mucus-like cells lining the walls of stomach would soon dissolve due to the strong digestive acids in your stomach. If they weren't constantly replaced, those with ulcers know how painful it can be when stomach acid takes its action on the lining of your stomach continuously. It takes less than 0.1 gram of poison found in the parts of the puffer fish to kill an adult human. However, some people eat the fish regularly as they know which bits to remove.